XAct PRM brings a new level of efficiency to managing property preservation and repair bids for everyone involved in the process, from asset owners and mortgage servicers to independent contractors and field service providers. For the best XAct PRM online experience, we recommend using one of the following browsers: Apple Safari, Google Chrome, Microsoft Internet Explorer, and Mozilla Firefox. Also note, window placement within XAct PRM may vary depending on your computer's screen resolution. Let's go to the XAct PRM login page and enter our XactWare ID and password. If we don't have an XactWare ID, we click the Get an XactWare ID link to create one. Once we've set up our XactWare ID, we'll log into XAct PRM. We'll begin on the XAct PRM dashboard. Here, we see 4 navigation tabs on the left, which are Projects, My Pricing, Preferences, and Tools. Each of these tabs are covered in more detail in separate training videos within this series. For now, let's walk through the process of creating a new estimate. First, we'll click the Add button on the Projects page. A new browser tab opens for our project, and the Add New Project window appears. In the Add New Project window, we'll enter information regarding the property we are working on, or bidding. Once we have created our new project, there's a 6-step estimating process that we will follow to complete it. These 6 steps are outlined on the left. They are Project Info, Pricing, Images, Estimate, Complete, and Print. The first step is the Project Info page. Here, we enter more in-depth details regarding the estimate, such as the type of estimate, the estimator for the project, and any pertinent dates. Step 2 is the Pricing page, where we find price list information and discount and markup information. The pricing for this estimate is based on the zip code that was entered when the project was first created. Step 3 is the Images page, where we can quickly add and annotate images for this project. These images can be printed on reports and even attached to specific line items. Step 4 is the Estimate page. This is where we enter our line items. We'll begin by creating groups or areas we want to estimate. While creating groups, we select the type of area that we will be estimating, which will give us an image that represents the area. More groups can be added by clicking the Add button. Once we've created our groups, we'll select one and click the area of the image that is most likely to contain the items that we're looking for. Line items associated with this hotspot will populate in the Search Results section. Once we've found the item or items that we are looking for, we click the Add button next to the item. The item now appears in the Added Items list, indicating that it has been added to our estimate. XAct PRM also has pre-created lists of line items that represent common jobs. These can be added from the Quick Estimate section. For instance, if we add landscape, lawn, trees, and shrubs, a list of line items appears in the Added Items list that reflects the work to be done. Once items have been added, they can be modified or changed as needed. If there's an item that we're not able to locate from the reference image, we can search for the item by typing a short description in the search field. Totals for each group and the subtotal for the entire estimate can be found in the Estimate Review section. The 5th step is the Complete page, where XAct PRM alerts us of any missing or invalid information. Once all information has been updated, we can mark the estimate as complete. Step 6 is Print. In the Print Manager window, we can print a variety of reports to give to the customer. All projects that we create will be stored in the Projects tab and can be accessed at any time. In fact, even if a project is deleted, it can always be found and retrieved from the recycle bin. We thank you for choosing XAct PRM and welcome your feedback. For more details on specific sections of XAct PRM, please view the other training videos in this series, found in the Help section.